Hello and welcome back to my channel. So recently while I was scrolling my mobile, I just came across a wall decor idea that instantly caught my eye. I had some clay lying around and I thought why not create something beautiful out of it. So you might have seen the latest trend where people make tons of clay flowers and stick them around mirrors. It's super cute and I wanted to try something different. I decided to use the same type of clay flowers, but instead of decorating a mirror, I turned it into a wall decor piece. I have made 9 flowers and I've taken a square cardboard, 3 cardboards of 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, wrapped it with the vibrant colored paper. You can totally customize the look, go for black, all white, or mix different colors. It's completely up to your style. So once the base was ready, I have to arrange the flowers on it. I have taken 3 colors, blue, yellow and pink. Now it's time to arrange the flowers where I have arranged 3 flowers each. You can use different glues, fevicol or super glue or even hot glue gun. So hot glue gun will be better, I suppose. So once it is done, I have just added few leaves and some extra materials for lots of creativity. I had a white lace. I have just pasted it at the base. So here is my wall decor ready. You can just paste it to the wall, or you can just add a thread behind and hang it. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. See you in the next video and happy craft day. Bye.